here chasing the bait. Fish. Got him. The net. $12 inches. That's a keeper. Yes. Cody's up with the first one. Yeah. Guess I better do an intro. What's going on, y'all? Hope you've been living right. Today we are out here fishing White Bear Lake here in Minnesota. And yeah, as you just saw, Cody caught the first one, fishing something that I'm not really comfortable doing, which is a drop shot fishing style. Too slow for me, truthfully. And yeah, we have done well so far. We're in second place for team of the year, and we got to stay in that top 3 for the rest of these events. We did pre-fish this lake. Hopefully I've got that video on out for y'all to see. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be about it for the intro. We're gonna just shut up, put our heads down. It's gonna be a grind without a doubt. Bunch of dinks, hoping for big fish. So here we go. Yeah, 45 minutes on one area, one bass. We're moving. We're gonna go try a hump with rock on it real quick before someone else jumps on it. Hopefully we can find the rock next to everything. Someone seems a little upset that we're on their spot. There we go, fish, got him. Freaking Northen, net him. He's got my bait in his mouth. Yeah. There we go. There you go. Finally caught my fish, little Northen. Lunch, yeah. Well, I'm gonna throw him back. I don't care to eat him all that much. He was bleeding a little though. Green pumpkin, red for a creature bait that I'm throwing. Yeah, I got a lot going on. There we go, fish. Dinkster, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, got something. Little guy. Measure him. So there's my first bass of the day, and it's just over 12, so he's a keeper. Probably weighs less than a pound. We'll get him in the live well. Nope, 09. Nope, 088. Oh, we'll go with that. Here we go. Bass number 2. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna bail on this spot. I think I just got hit. You got a fish? Cody's on.
Seems better, honestly.
Bring him straight to the net. Bring your rod tip closer to me. There you go. Little guy. Y'all see him on his camera. 106.
Puts us at a whopping 3.11.
Rock on. 311?
Yeah.
Well, at least we're 3 for 3. All right, well, we're gonna move again, and we're gonna go fish another offshore structure. There was bait on it last week. Don't know if there's bait on it now. This weather is not what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be fairly sunny, but it looks like it's gonna freaking rain now, and there was 0 chance of rain. So don't know what the hell we're gonna do. We're gonna figure something out. We got 3 for 311 or something like that, so we got something. All right, so that way 30 foot is grass.
Yep.
I mean, like straight off us right here. There you go. Thank you for sharing the live. I mean, we ain't doing so hot, but oh, Cody's got one. Yeah, it is. Freaking dogging the hell out of you. Then again, it's a light rod.
And on drop.
That's a nice bass. There we go. Whoo! We just got a 3-pounder, I think, or 2 3/4. There y'all go. Right there. Looks big in the camera. I'll have Cody show it to y'all in a moment for the remaining 4 people in here. It's not the camera making it look big this time.
I don't have my chesty on, but
there you go.
that felt good.
Congrats, man. 3 3/4, 320. Yeah, 3 1/4, something like that. It's
Number
3. It's starting to rain. Try deep crank too. That's a good sign though. Fish, got him. Got him.
Come on, baby. Nice fish.
Oh, I think it's a Northern. Frick.
Damn. Can't shake them thing, can you?
Nope.
Good, land 'em.
Yeah. Frickin' A. Just when I think I onto something, I catch a frickin' Northern. There he is. Little guy. Later, bud. Crap. So there's something out here. If a Northern and that bass were sitting out here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where's your line exactly? Okay. Fish. Got him. Got another one. That's a bass. No.
Snakes.
Believe that? Freaking another Northern. Kind of hoping the wind had died down after that cloud came through. Smallie.
I was gonna say.
That's a freaking smallie. Well, this is a good sign. We didn't know we knew heard of smallies, but catching them is rare, and I think I need to go buy a lottery ticket. We got a nice little smallie. I think he's just short. Yep. He's just short though, unfortunately. Sorry. Well, call me the Northern King. Here we go, another snot rocket. Yeah. Fish. Net. Better not be a northern. Nice, thanks. 165. Number 3 is gone. Moved up ½ pound. Hell yeah, on the drop shot, fishing an offshore aspect here. Something nose dived on him. Fish. That, yes, this feels good too. And it doesn't feel horrible. Smalley? This side of the boat. Yes. Ah, what a chunk. What a chunk. He's short, but God, is he fat. Look at that belly. Just, I mean, look at it. It's like 2 inches across. 2, 3. Zeroed out. Well, this one will call number 1. 2 pounds. Nice. We're up to 9.5. That's a good one. Oh! All right, so the wind is blowing so damn hard, trolling motor's coming out of the water, and in this tracker, I don't want to deal with it really. So we're gonna go get out of the wind and just cast. That's all we can do at this point. This whole lake is blown out outside of one bit of shoreline that's gonna have something on it. So we're gonna go fish it with everyone else. Once we get up around this point, hopefully it won't be so bad. Got him?
Yeah.
Good one?
Good one.
Cody's hooked up.
Come on, baby.
There we go. Got him. There we go.
Torn up. But they're moving again.
Can't get away from the damn wind.
Cole's number 4
Yay!
by almost a ½ pound.
Nice. Really? It doesn't look that big.
I know.
That's a 1 3/4?
Yep. 163.
Wow. Are you, is your video popping?
Fish.
Is it good?
I think it's another northern. But yeah, it's good. He's dogging.
See something out there. Another northern.
Fast.
Oh, yeah. Looked like a northern.
It did.
Cody's on fire! Croc power!
Want a pair?
Yeah, right? No sooner than you drop, you hooked into him, huh?
Yeah, he hit it on the full. Hit 194. Gets rid of number 5.
Yeah, nice. All right, well that day was very, very interesting. It was a struggle. The wind was ridiculous on this tournament. I mean, it was crazy, and it prevented us from being able to fish a drop shot as much as possible. I mean, I was up to a ½ ounce drop shot weight on it, and it was still pulling through. It was just a pain in the butt. Threw crankbaits for a little while, but I mean, Cody pulled up that nice, what was it, 2 1/4 or a 3 1/4 up out of the depths of that one hump where I was pulling out Northern constantly. And I mean, I missed a nice bass. I think it was nice, at least when that hook set for that time period I had it bowed up. It felt good. And yeah, I mean, we did everything that we could. We hit all the spots, roadbed, offshore humps and points and rock areas, and then the wind just got too much. We didn't fish docks because during pre-fishing, I didn't have any luck on docks. Y'all saw, if you watched the pre-fishing video, I only pulled out 2 bass of reed line. So offshore was the game. And I mean, it was good enough. We came in second place. We did not take first. And Cody could have had big bass, but we did not. That one got beaten out by a 3 1/2 or 3 3/4, something like that. We are still in second place for team of the year. We are now further back because they won big bass and got big bags. So congratulations to them. I'm pretty sure y'all are watching. So congratulations to y'all on all that. I mean, y'all have been stepping it up and forcing me and Cody to really step up our game and try to, you know, come in that first place. Just making us work hard for it, that is for sure. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know if y'all are enjoying the tournament videos themselves. I don't do a whole lot of talking as much. I'm trying to break it up when we move spots and stuff like that. So all that fun stuff. But until next time, y'all keep living right.